A Galaxy S24 drains the battery faster due to mobile network issues when it struggles to maintain a weak signal, causing the phone to use more power to stay connected. In this guide, we'll show you how to optimize your network usage to preserve battery life. First, disable the network features that might be using data unnecessarily in the background. Head over to Settings and select Connections. From there, tap Data Usage, then choose Allowed Networks for apps. Here you can select the apps you want to restrict to Wi-Fi only by tapping on the app and choosing Wi-Fi only. This ensures that those apps won't use mobile data and drain your battery when not connected to Wi-Fi. Take a moment to review each app so they don't use up unnecessary power. Next, limit the number of networks your phone is connected to. Having multiple networks simultaneously connected forces your device to work harder, consuming more battery. To reduce this, go back to the Connections page and then tap Mobile Networks. If you're in an area with spotty 5G coverage or no 5G at all, tap Network Mode and disable 5G by choosing the second option, which prioritizes LTE. This prevents your phone from constantly searching for a 5G signal. While you're at it, go back and turn off features like Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth, and NFC if you're not using them, as they can also consume power in the background. If your phone is struggling with a weak mobile signal, that could be the reason for the battery drain. If none of these steps work, try resetting the mobile network settings, as this can fix any problematic network configurations that are draining your battery. To do this, go back to the main settings page, select General Management, then tap Reset. Tap Reset Mobile Network Settings, then confirm by entering your passcode or PIN if prompted. Once you confirm, all network settings will be restored to their default values. While you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and set up cellular networks again, this step could resolve network-related battery drain. And that's it! We hope this guide helps you extend your Galaxy S24's battery life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.